All right, let's go ahead and take a look at these T-handle spinners. I never really used these before back in the days. I'm gonna show you guys, this is a solid version, this is a spinner version. It has this ball bearing spinner handle on it. And I saw this when these Japanese dudes right here, notice that, these are old school guys. They're not using any power tools or anything like that. They're just using these spinners. They're using these T-handles. I did get two different lengths here. They're both 3/8. So you want to get just reaching a little bit longer, a shorter one. You can also, if you're working on an engine block, you're using two different socket sizes. You don't want to keep on, switching out the sockets back and forth. So, if you're working with a 10 and a 12, you just keep them on and just keep on going. There's that one. And then you got this with your spindle handles on it. This one's a 1/4 inch right here. It's got a rubberized handle. If your hands are getting kind of old like mine, this is a lot easier on your hands. When you're working pretty much all day or all week in a shop. This one is a 3/8 and it's the wobble version. So, you got that wobble right there, right? And I believe these are ball bearings on the inside. It's probably locked in place with the, with a snap ring. So, again, it's a rubberized handle. And this is actually a different version. These came as part of a pair. I'll put a link in the description below for the Amazon link so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, this is also 3/8. It's just that it was made by another company. So you can see that they're both blue anodized. I thought that was cool. I couldn't find a red anodized. They didn't really make them. It's all good, because my second favorite color is blue since I worked in aerospace before. Here you go. It's just a slightly different handle design, and they got that knurling on there, so it's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and demonstrate what these things do. If you guys have never really used it before, you just saw earlier in the video, a quick snippet, how you can go about handling this. And dudes who are old school, they've been doing this for a while. They'll do that whole spinner thing. I'll just go ahead and show that. Here you got this one here. It's pretty cool. You guys are just working on it, and you just kind of do your whole spinner thing right there with your socket at the end. So that's how you would do it. If you got greasy hands and you're working on those engine blocks, your hands aren't going to be clean. Just I showed you earlier with the Casamans. I'm going to go ahead and put one of those on here. 12 milli right here, right there. And you're inside, you're going down to, one of the, you're working on the head, tighten it, you can just loosen it up. You don't have to use a universal, you can just use a straight socket. So that's pretty cool. And then you got this one, right? So, you don't have to have slick hands on this one. You can just do it kind of like that. And then, you just put your socket on here. Yeah, you got your wobble with your universal right there. Let's go take a look at the other one. This is the one that I just showed you, but this is the one. This is the other one with the looks like it's got a longer handle here. Blue anodized. Let's go ahead and see how this feels. Man, this one actually smells a lot smoother. These tools are gonna be fun to work with. We'll put all kinds of stuff on the end of this, and you see some good lighting there. Blue anodized. Yeah, it's locked in with some type of perseverance. I'll probably take this apart, just take a look at it, and show you guys what it looks like. You got this one here. Put this on there. So that's pretty cool. Whether we work on an engine block or any other part of the car, these are cool if you want to take things off really fast and you don't really want to use power tools like those OG Japanese dudes. And they came with some of these adapters. I'm gonna have a whole drawer full of those things. So there you go on that one. There's a review for these T-handles.